We bought this device from Warware company. It's a Thermomix TM6 model. This will be the first start on. In instruction I read that I just need to push that button and device will inform me what to do step by step. So let's see how it works. Here we have a logo of company. And probably instruction will start in a second. What next? Okay, something changed. Just in the time, I guess. So takes a little bit longer than I expect. I thought it will be just like 10 seconds and I can cook. I can become a chief. Does it need to make complete circle or not? Yeah, I guess so. So maybe after completing this step I will resume with my recording. So the first step just finished, and I guess that would be all, because it took like 3 minutes maybe. Arms released. Here I need to choose my language. It will be Polish. Okay, next Polska, yes. Here I need to enter my password, so cannot show it to you. Okay. Here we have an information Wi-Fi is connected. Here I need to give my Cookido login. Okay. Here we have some warnings how to use it. But I already read it. from instruction manual. So I guess this will be the end of the startup installation. It need to make some software update, and probably after that we can use the device Thermomix TM6. Thanks for watching. Give us up. Bye.